A foolish stag. It is proverbial to say, all that glitters is not gold. Let's relate the story of foolish stag to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once upon a time there lived a stag in a forest. He was proud of his swift speed, sharp horns and well-built body. He used to stroll in the forest and enjoyed his life. One day he felt thirsty and went to a nearby stream to quench his thirst. While drinking water, he saw his reflection in the transparent water of the stream. He was pleased to see his beautiful horns that were like a crown on his head. He was intoxicated by their beauty and could not help praising them. His wandering eyes then landed on his thin legs. He was grieved at their ugliness. He regarded them as a disgrace upon his beautiful body. He was lost in these thoughts when he heard the bark of some hound. This trouble pulled him back from his thoughts. He was frightened and started running for his life. His thin legs helped him, and within no time he was out of reach of the hounds. He came to a thick part of the forest. Everything was in his favor as he was completely out of sight of his enemies. Suddenly, his pointed horns got entangled in a thorny bush. As they say, out of frying pan into the fire. He tried his best to get rid of the bush, but in vain. Soon the hounds overtook him and tore him into pieces. His thin legs, which he hated, proved a blessing for him and took him away from the danger. His awesome horns, which he loved, turned out to be the cause of his painful death. Moral: all that glitters is not gold.